Hello, today I have Audi A6 C6 with problem with parking assist not working. Nothing. If this button light is blinking, it indicates that we have problem in the system. If you want to know what the problem, you have to plug Diagnostic and scan for codes and then repair it. So I plug Diagnostic. So let's look what we have here. So problem with left front sensor. So we have to take the front bumper off and look if a sensor or wiring fault. So let's go. So to remove the front bumper, we start to take this plastic off. There is 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Then look to the wheel arch. Here you should unscrew these screws. After all screws unscrew, there's some screws down here, and you have to unscrew this screw 10 millimeters with longest extension and unscrew it. So when unscrew this 10 millimeter, you can release the side of bumper. So we have to do this job, and in other side you can turn the wheel to the opposite side for better access to unscrew with screws. When you remove these screws, you have to remove this one, and also here 10 millimeter you have to, with long extension, to unscrew it. Also there is some screws under the bumper. It's right here. 1, 2, 3. In this bumper these 2 missing, so less job to do. When all screws remove, we can release this side of the bumper like this. So these screws also unscrew, and little by little we can take this bumper like this underground. So now we have access to our Park Assist sensors. So our problem showing that this Parktronic is faulty. So I show you how to test Parktronic with your ears. So we can plug our key to the ignition switch. We can put into reverse. And now listen. You can gently put your finger to the sensor and you can hear tick 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 sound. This all working. And this one no sound. So it can be also wiring. So we can swap this sensor to this place. So I swap these sensor places from this to this to be sure that we have the sensor issue but not wiring issue. So when I put this sensor to this place but this sensor to this place, this sensor not working, this sensor start working. So it tells us that the 100% is the sensor faulty. So we have to replace the sensor. So I put new sensor in place so we can test with our simple test. Put ignition on. Engage reverse. So first good sign that our light is glowing, not blinking. So and Parktronic system is activated. Now it's showing the objects in our garage. So let's hear it. So now it's working. So now we need to put bumper in place. So starting to take the bumper again in place. We need to add this. So I put a bumper in place. So don't forget all screws with 3 of screws and with plastic. Don't remember put all these screws and this 10mm one screw, and here don't forget 10mm and these screws, and under the bumper there's some screws. So we put together and we can do our final test. If everything working. So we can put it in reverse. The switch is moving and our system is active. So the job is done.